ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योरमा अमृतं गमय। ॐ योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत् तं प्रवनं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Ulcer, ulcerative colitis, peptic ulcer, mucus, Sanghrani, that is sprue, mucus problem. Millions in the country are suffering from these. Initially there is constipation, there is indigestion. From indigestion, mucus starts forming. The cereals that you eat, the food that you eat is not digested. And then from the bowels, sticky thing is excreted, which is called mucus. One's blood production becomes reduced. Because of this, one becomes weaker and weaker. This disease of mucus, Sanghrani, neither the bowels are cleared properly. It is never cleared in one go. Twice, thrice, one has to go to the toilet. Maximum people go 2 to 3 times to the toilet because mucus forms. Sanghrani. Then when this mucus remains for a longer period, then acidity starts forming. Production of acid starts increasing. When more acid is produced, then it makes a wound inside the intestine. The same becomes ulcer. According to a survey on various diseases, recognized institutions, agencies conduct survey. In India, when peptic ulcers survey was done, it was found of the entire population, 10% people sometime or the other, they suffered from ulcer. What a huge problem. These smaller diseases, even constipation in the whole world, about 14.5% people. And if the constipation is properly defined, that is every individual stomach is completely healthy, you'll rarely find such a person. Then every second person will be having stomach ailment. These problems of stomach, from these develops other diseases. If the stomach is healthy, no disease can ever occur. And there is no medicine to make the stomach healthy. There's only one medicine. And its name is Kapalabhati. Do Kapalabhati and all stomach ailments will become alright. There'll be no obesity, no diabetes, there'll be no constipation, there'll be no ulcer, there'll be no peptic ulcer, there'll be no acidity and neither gas. And there'll be no piles, there'll be no problem of fissure, fistula. These are cured because of Kapalabhati. That's why I say it. We have done a special program on constipation. Today, we'll tell you specially on the problem of ulcer. Ulcer is related with acidity, hyperacidity, acidity, Jeerna Amla Pitta, mucus, Sanghrani.